Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Taj Nasser. I'm the founder of the Crown Vision Foundation, and we have something very excited for you all today. We get the opportunity to give back to our Dallas-Fort Worth community by serving those in desperate need. These are individuals that have been deprived of the basic need and necessity of uninhibited vision, been deprived of being able to perform their daily activities because of blindness unnecessarily, and it's something that we here at the Crown Vision Foundation feel very strongly to help our community. Join us as we walk you through the journey of helping our fellow humans and serving them by giving them vision and allowing them to express themselves as they should in this world.
Mi primera cirugía. Me di cuenta hace como unos 3, 4 meses que me fallaba un poquito mi vista. Forzo mucho mi vista del otro ojo y entonces es cuando me duele mi casa por forzar mucho mi ojito bueno. Y de ahí pues empecé a buscar ayuda. Ellos me refieren a esta clínica que para mí son como mis ángeles porque voy a mirar mejor.
My name is Holly and I had cataract surgery. My daughter did some research and found the foundation for me. I drove from Weatherford, so it was fine. Everyone's just so friendly and food, beverages. So I'm really looking forward to having some clear vision.
Me vine a hacer la cirugía de cataratas. Fue muy bien, fue muy tranquilo y fue muy rápido y no sientes nada. Yo pienso como casi 2 años, pero los últimos 5 o 6 meses fue cuando empecé a batallar más. Pues te afecta en cualquier cosa que vas a hacer porque no miras. Entonces, en tu trabajo te baja yo creo como un 50% de lo bueno que seas. Tratar de ser mejor. Es muy bueno, son muy profesionales, te ayudan en todo. Fue mucho muy rápido, nomás por...
Okay, ready? Can distract them? Have you open your eye, okay, mind you?
Yeah. Just like
Didn't see us?
yes.
2, 3.
Thank y'all. It's been 6 months since I've seen anybody.
Congratulations.
Oh my God.
Got a sweet day.
I can see y'all. I can see y'all. The car and
In the world to serve communities in need, but today is especially meaningful because that same promise has come home. Today we had the privilege of serving our own neighbors, our own community, and the people who call this great DFW community home sweet home. And today, together, let's help our patients wear, once again, the crown of human experience. Thank you.
I basically helped out at the front, helped to organize the food and helped to check in patients. It's actually super exciting to just see how much we've come with the foundation in itself, and it's just a beautiful experience. So I was patient experience volunteer, so I kind of helped out with like the hospitality, making sure everybody ate, had a good time, and felt welcome. I really enjoyed seeing that transformation where, you know, one lady, she walked in and she wasn't able to see. She needed help being able to walk in, and she came out not needing any help.